Hey, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to enable adult content on Facebook. So what you have to do, this is your Facebook main profile, and after that you can go to the main profile and just scroll down and you will see the setting and privacy. Once you hit the setting privacy, it will go to the setting. Once you hit the setting, then what you have to do, just scroll down and look for the content preference. Once you hit the content preference, you are going to see that this tab. So it will be in the sensitive content. If the sensitive content in content default is there, it means you'll be able to see the adult content. But if you click this one, you are not able to see any content at all. That's what he's saying. You might not see this content at all. And this one is, once you put the default and then save it, once you hit the save it, then you may see more sexually suggestive content, so something like that. You will able to see that, and this is how you are unable to do that. All right, so in this video this much, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.